Welcome back to Cooking Sazzy's Way. Today we're making a nice cottage pie. We start by browning off our mince and adding some mixed herbs. We're going to give that a good old stir up and cook this off for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's nice and brown. Now all our mince is nice and browned off, we're going to add in some gravy, granules. Give that a nice old stir. Going to add in some more water. And give that a good old stir too. What? Looking absolutely lovely now. That's all ready. So now we're going to put this in the tin and move on to the mash. So in the mash we've added butter, milk, salt, pepper and a bit of cheese. Now we've added the mash, we're going to set it into the oven for around 20 minutes. And voila! Here we have it. Absolutely gorgeous, stunning, nice and crisp with a few breadcrumbs on top and a little bit of cheese. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Tucking halfway in, guys, and it is absolutely fabulous. Really nice, full of flavour. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a like, share it out with all your friends and family, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.